As you all know, my name is Dhanlakshmi, bearing pin 49. Now I am going to explain about neural networks. These neural networks are known as artificial neural networks, and it is also called as simulated neural networks. In the short form, we call as ANNS. These neural networks are taken from the subset and the main branch of a machine learning. These neural network, the name and the structure of these neural networks are taken from the human brain. How the human brain is linked with the neurons, these neural networks are also connected to each other, called nodes and units, named as artificial neurons. These artificial neural networks are of different types, but the mostly used neural networks for making of applications are of two types: artificial neural networks and biological neural networks. Artificial neural networks, these artificial neural networks, they are connected to each other from one node to another node. They transmit a data signal. This signal is called as a real number and is interlinked with input layer and output layer. These layers have some weight and threshold frequency. If the output layer threshold frequency and weight is above than the specified weight and threshold frequency, then the data is transmitted from one node to another node, or from one artificial neuron to another artificial neuron. And these neural networks are applicable in are used in most of applications like quantum chemistry, system identifications like vehicle controlling, process controlling, natural resource management, and for detection of face and pattern, and for fingerprints. And it is also used in the medical fields like diagnosis of curing cancers, blood cancers, brain cancers. For treatment of these neural networks are mostly used in nowadays, and it is also comes under nanotechnology in the field of medical field. Thank you.
Good morning, Faraj. Myself, I am Lavanya from CS Final Year, bearing the pin 11. Now I am going to tell about screenless display. Screenless display is most evolving present in the field of computer technology. It is one of the most greatest technology which is developed by the computer students. Several patents are still working on it. The main aim of this screenless display is for displaying or transmitting the information without the help of screen or projector by using visual information. It was mainly divided into three groups: visual image, retinal information, and spectacular interface. The screenless display is used for the development of mobile phones, which are mainly used by the blind and old people. It was first invented in a mobile phone which named Oasis. By this, the old and blind people can see the screen without using mobiles and videos. And also, the people who have less visual power, they can also see this image. Thank you.
The IoT is mostly proposed by Kelvin Aston in 1999. He is referred to a unique identity. nanotechnology introduced by the Richard Feynman introduced the concept of nanotechnology in 1959. During the annual meeting of the American Physical Society, Feynman presented a lecture entitled "There's Plenty of Room" at the California Institute of Technology. Nanotechnology refers to the science and engineering devoted to designing, planning by using the structures, divided system by manipulating the atoms and molecules at nanoscale. There are some of nanotechnology applications used in electronics. We use nanomaterials in wide range of electronics such as smartphones, laptops and etc. And also nanotechnology is used on the human body for inhibition of chemotherapeutic cancer drugs. Thank you.
To explain about IoT, the Kelvin astronomy firstly proposed by IoT in 1999. He is referred to a unique identifiable connected object with radio frequency identification. The Internet of Documents, e-library, documents is based on web pages. Internet of Commerce, e-commerce, banking, trading websites. The Internet of Application, website 2.0, Internet of Applications, social networks, Internet of Things connected with machines and robots.
My name is Siri. I am here explaining about preparation of feasibility of study. Feasibility of study is a part of that is designed to revival of with a project or a plan. Feasibility of a study is the initial part that is project or a plan. It is conducted in order to objectively uncover the strengths, weakness, sign proposed by project of existing design.
Nitisha from CSC India. Before going to our topic, I asked one question. In last generation, now we are using that board and marker or chalk pieces and blackboards, green boards, something. But in past generation, what they are using? Coal. The coal are used to write at some wooden blocks or something. They are used, or slate pencils. Then generation is changed, came that blackboards, green boards, and the whiteboards and the projectors. The total technology is changed. Now we are going to discuss about the digital technology. This digital technology is created by Atanasov and Clifford E. Berries created this digital technology, but this digital technology is introduced by Claude Shannon in 1930s. He introduced this digital technology and he is the American scientist. The first digital technology is ENIC. Electronic numerical integrated and computers. It is the first digital technology. By this digital technology, first, what is the definition of digital technology? For the digital technology, we using that digital devices and some resources for store and create and manage that information, right? Every human being should use that smartphones, right? Without one, no one. It is also some type of digital technology. Now someone is told that 5G technology, 5G net speed. It is also called as digital technology. Now in last generation there is 4G or 3G something. Now present is 5G. And in our college only we using some networks like CSIT, Lab, CH, so on, Labwing. It is also a type of digital technology. It came from past only. There is some generations it changes. And now someone is there in America and there is someone is in India. but now also we giving the conversation. What is happening here? What happened there? Now it is called communication speed is very increased, very increased. Yes, and these are all called as digital technology only. Now present, someone is told that screenless display. Without now we are using that projectors. There is screen, but we are using that laptops, computers on. But in last days they are using only blackboards. The technology is changed. This digital technology is very useful in nowadays. And future days, what happened we don't know. Are you changed by you only, me only, someone? But the generation is changing. The digital technology is also changing, right? And the examples of the digital technologies is smartphones. And Corona days, the software engineers are doing the work from home, right? By the technology only. That is, any problem we have to go to the company and we do that work and that time only. But now, work from home only, we using that technology. We are doing some more works, right? Okay, the technology is changing. We also update that technology and be happy with your technology, enjoy your technology, but don't misuse the technology. Thank you.
Yes, NFL. Today this is Samya, wearing Queen 24. Today we will discuss about Li-Fi technology. Li-Fi technology. Li-Fi means light fidelity. It is a optical wireless networking technology. It using data transmission of data using Li-Fi technology. Li-Fi technology is designed to by LED light bulbs is similar to use in many energy conscious homes and offices. It is introduced by Professor Harald Haas. He studied in UK Edinburgh University. Li-Fi technology is received by the data transmission and received by the photoreceptors, transmitted by the LED bulbs, and applications of Li-Fi technology, RF avoidance, aviation, mobile connectivity, smart lighting, etc. Advantages: it is higher than Wi-Fi and 10,000 times frequency than the Wi-Fi, protecting by data picking, and more security in Li-Fi technology than Wi-Fi because data cannot be interpreted without the line of signal. And disadvantages: light cannot throw pass by object. Cost installation is higher than Wi-Fi. Conclusion of Li-Fi technology is it covers larger area than single Wi-Fi of router. Wi-Fi అనేది సింగిల్ రూటర్ వల్ల కొంచెమే స్పేస్లో, కానీ Li-Fi అనేది చాలా స్పేస్ దాకా సిగ్నల్ని ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తుంది. ఇట్ ఈజ్ రీప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ Wi-Fi. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good morning to one and all. This is Ashrita. Now we are discussing about ISRO. Indian Space Research Organization, referred to as ISRO. It operates Department of Space and Primary Research. Department of Space is Indian Space Research Organization, referred to as ISRO. It is a national space agency, and it operates primary research and development arm of Department of Space, which is overseen by the Prime Minister. And this executive is Department of
Space Executive is chairman of the ISRO, and ISRO is responsible for space operations and space explorations and International Space Corporation and other technologies. And the Kalpana 1 is a meteorological satellite. It is first satellite which is launched by the ISRO. And satellites which are launched by the ISRO are used to communications and remote sensing systems and for research in space. And three missions and ISRO has launched 3 missions to the moon and 1 mission to the Mars.
Maita from CSC final year. I'm here to explain a few words on mobile computing. Continue.
Mobile computing is a software technology that transfers media through wireless device without having any fixed connection. It is mobile computing is an human-computer interaction where computer is expected to transfer any files or something. The main key elements in mobile computing is mobile communication, mobile software, mobile hardware, and mobile communication. And the benefits of mobile computing is connectivity, social engagement, and personalization. And in this applications of mobile computing is we use this mobile computing in courts and in companies. And this mobile computing is used in credit card verification. And this mobile computing is an umbrella term. It describes that we can access the internet at any place, anytime, and anywhere.